everyone, my name is Rihanna and welcome to my channel. This hair is from the Waporia store on Amazon, and it comes with a crochet hook, 2 hair clips, and 4 pieces of hair jewelry. It also comes with 6 bundles or packs of hair, and it is synthetic French curl braiding hair. It's 24 inches in ombre color of 1B/30/27. It's also really soft, bouncy, and doesn't have a bad smell to it. And as you can see, the hair is pretty long. For reference, I'm 5'3". Also, this is how much hair comes in 1 pack or bundle of hair. It's a good amount, and the hair easily splits apart. And this is how far I got with 1 bundle or pack of hair. My braids are also small, and I usually require less hair for the back of my head than I do for the middle and top. So to start the braid, I put a small amount of Shine Jam on my roots. Then I use Cantu coconut curling cream. You don't have to do this. I just like that it softens and moisturizes my hair. Next, I take the braiding hair and pull apart the small section of hair that I'll be using for the braid, and the hair pulls apart fairly easy. Then I divide that small section of hair into 2 even pieces. And once I have those 2 pieces, I overlap them like so. And I grab the spot that joins the pieces of hair and pull away any excess hair so that it doesn't get in the way while I'm braiding. Next, I position my fingers to braid the hair. So now I basically have 3 pieces of braiding hair. I split my real hair into 2 sections and attach each section to a piece of the braiding hair like this. Then I start the braid, making sure my grip is firm and tight so that the start of the braid or the knot won't slip or become loose. And once I know the braid is secure, I just start braiding down as normal, keeping my grip nice and tight though. And I do want to warn you that this hair is a little slippery, especially when starting the braid off. But once I have braided the hair down an inch or 2, I switch my hands into this underhand braiding position so that I can braid a little faster. I also apply more Shine Jam to my hair as I braid, especially on my ends to try to reduce flyaways and smooth out my real hair. I then braid down to at least where my real hair ends. And once I'm ready to end the braid, I knot the hair so that the braid doesn't unravel. But even if the braid does unravel, if you've braided your hair tight, it's unlikely that the braid will come undone and completely fall out. So I take a very small and thin piece of hair and tie it around the end of the braid very tightly, at least 3 times. Once that is done, I hide that piece of hair in between the other curly hair from the braid so that the small piece of hair blends better and doesn't stick out. And I know some people also like to glue the end of the braid using nail glue to keep it from coming undone, but I have never done that. And this is how far 2 bundles or packs of hair got me. This is 3 bundles. This is 4 bundles. And I used a total of 4.5 packs or bundles of the braiding hair. It took me about 14 to 15 hours over the course of 2 days to braid my hair, but I think the hair turned out really cute. I love the curls and the ombre look, and I didn't get much tangling of the hair while I was braiding, but it was a little difficult to start some of the braids, as I said, because the hair was a little slippery. I also made the braids small so that it would be easier to put the hair into different styles like ponytails, and just showing you a close-up of my parts. But the curls at the end of the braids did start looking really frizzy, and I didn't like that. It also was a little matted here and there. You had to pull it apart, but I just ran my fingers through it and the hair would be okay. Also, I want to note that I didn't really put any product in the hair though, and the curls from this braiding hair were also a little itchy. And I've done this hairstyle before from the same brand, just with the black color, and I think that hair is a little better than this ombre color. I'll link that video in the description below. Let me know what you guys thought of this style and if you'd wear it. Also, let me know what other videos you want to see from me. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.